What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. Today we checking out the Slim Armor Pro for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Let's get it. Now, if y'all know where I go by the name Wayne Train. My real name is Dwayne Mims. You can search it up at the top. Might be easier to find your boy that way, but we do tech videos, unboxings, case reviews like this one. And if any of that interests you, please consider subscribing to your boy. I was gonna say dude, but that one went right. But anyway, Spigen Slim Armor Pro, man, I've been sitting on this case for a minute. I've been hearing a lot of amazing reviews, and I was like, all right. Let me go ahead and slap it on. Let me go ahead and check it out. So that's what we're about to do today. So let's go ahead and get into it. Got the easy open tab. Now it ain't easy open for me because I'm recording with one hand, so bear with your boy. I know. Damn, like magic, it's already on there. All right, so I will show y'all, as the video, I'll show you the installation actually right now a little bit. Throw in that little B-roll, you know how it go. But installation really isn't bad. All it is just slapping on the case. It's nothing difficult at all. But there are a number of these little tabs that you got to pull off. I actually ended up taking one off completely, so be mindful of that. Just be a little bit careful pulling them off. Some of them are a little hard to pull off. But anyway, man, after you get installed, this is what you're left with. Finished product. Just get a little wipe down. Super dope, clean, thick, outer box style case. I like it. Cutouts and everything are good. Now, I heard through the grapevine that you couldn't use your charger with this case. I found that to be false. It actually works pretty well if you're using a stock charger. Now, if you got some super big, thick third-party charger that might not fit, SOL, USOL, but the stock charger that comes with the Samsung phones does work. Cutout on the back looks decent, it's recessed a bit. Oh my God, we're gonna hammer upstairs. Check out the button on the side. Pretty accessible. So no issues there. Like I said, cutouts and mic and everything look good. You got your grill, speaker grill looks good. Now, the star of the show with this case is the hinge cover. So it is a little flat joint here. What I will say is I guess I'd be careful about still putting things in your pocket. You don't want to end up getting something trapped in here and, scratching up the inside. But, I still don't see that being like a big deal. It is, like I said, it closes back on its own. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna try with the one-handed motion. Okay, bam, one-handed. So you see how that goes when you pull it, when you close it, it just kind of folds over the back. Pretty dope, man. Pretty innovative. So I will have to give it to Spigen for that. Way better than Samsung. Samsung seemingly hasn't even put any effort into making a quality case for their own phone. I appreciate that from Spigen, going the extra mile. I look at the front real quick. I'm not getting any overlap aside from the edge. It's not covering up my screen protector. All that looks good. Like I said, cutouts again. It even, if you're using it, depending on, actually it doesn't really matter if you're right or left-handed, but that little bump right there actually provides a little bit of grip. So when you're one-handing it, it's pretty cool, man. I like this case. But the price, okay, like I said, the retail price, I believe is like $90, $80 to $90. You'll have the link. You'll know exactly what price it is. But that is a very, very hard, tough sell for anybody. No matter how good the case is, no matter what. Has nothing to do with, brand. It could have been from Samsung. It could have been from Louis Vuitton. I don't know. It doesn't even matter. $90 is a lot for a case for a phone that might not, last very long in terms of relevancy. Now, obviously, relevancy is irrelevant, but you get what I'm saying. We only talking about a few years of software development and all that stuff, and you invest a lot of money into a phone as far as spending $90 on a case. Now, I will say though, if you had to spend $90 on the case, this might be the one. You're getting basically everything works. So let's go ahead and check it out. So we got, apologize for my mess, wireless charging. Wireless charging works, as well as, and I'm gonna show you real quick the lips. We're gonna get into the lips. So we're gonna go down here to power share. Grab my buds. Charging up. So the case ain't impeding on anything except for, like I said, the lips. The lips on the side, provides great protection when you're throwing it face down. So I'm all for that. But if you are about that edge life, like for me, I've become a little bit a part of the edge life, mainly because of my launcher. It's the launcher that I've been using for a little while, and I'll do a video on that later. But the edge doesn't help my launcher out very much. Now, part of that is due to the settings of my launcher. It kind of gets in the way. But if you really focus, you can, dig your finger down into the edge to swipe that over. Now, I will say though, the lips are pretty high, but I think the Rinky and the VRS case that I reviewed are a little bit higher, if I gotta be honest. So all in all though, man, the case feels really dope in the hand. I gotta say it feels really dope in the hand. It gives me a lot more confidence when using it. Like if I drop this, the only thing I'm probably really worried about is just shock. But there's little paddings and stuff on the inside for shock absorption. But and scratching up the front, but that it is what it is. I'd much rather deal with a cracked screen or a scratch screen than a broken hinge and a distorted display, because that's probably what you'll be dealing with. But this case is a go. If you want to spend that $1, the link is below. Just letting you know. But like I said, if you all about that life, this is probably the best case that you're going to be able to find in terms of being able to protect your whole phone and not have to worry about a flimsy case, because there's a little bit of looseness if you pull, but you got the adhesive strips or the non-slip strips, whatever they are, to help out with that. And look, man, I hate it, but this is what it's come to. If you want a quality case, this is kind of what you're gonna have to deal with. Adhesive strips, it sucks. I don't want it, but this is what we gotta deal with. So Samsung, man, if you're listening, man, give these Spigen boys the blueprint or something to help them out with. Give them a good year so they can design these cases, to work well with this phone, man. Because I can tell y'all didn't believe that this phone was gonna be a hit. So, but anyway, man, that's the Spigen Slim Armor Pro. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this joint. We could talk about it, chop it up, like, subscribe, share, comment, like, all that, man. Like, I just gotta say it real quick. Like, it feels like Thanos came through the tech community and was just like, he just came through and was just like, and 50% of the channels just disappeared, and mine was definitely one of the 50%, because like I feel like it's been tough. It's just been tough. So, Help your boy, man, get back in that rotation, man. Get some views up, get some comments up. I would appreciate it for sure. But anyway, man, it's your man Wayne Train. I'm out.